What if I told you the skill that millions of engineers are learning today will be useless in the next 5 years? Coding, the most demanding skill of the last decade, might not matter anymore. AI agents like ChatGPT, Gemini, and Claude can now build entire apps in minutes. So the real question is software engineering dead? Dario Amodi, the CEO of Claude, was right when he said AI tsunami is coming and it will be destructive for people who don't evolve. So is doing computer engineering even worthy because the growth potential in other sectors is immense. Hello, my name is Lakshmi Mewada and I am a second year undergrad currently studying at Scalar School of Technology in Bangalore, and in today's video we are going to get a detailed insight of what is happening in industries, what changes are coming, how you can stand out, and how my college is tackling all of this. If you are new to this channel, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And now, without further delay, let's get started. We have three parts in this video: the problem, the solution, and the scalar way. So let's start with the problem. Nowadays, creating an Amazon clone or writing a good code following all the solid principles will not land you a job or internship, because all of these things are done by LLM in a much faster and efficient way. People are getting laid off by the companies, but only those who are not evolving with time and getting along with trend. These are basically those people who will lag behind, because in today's world you need to learn fast and unlearn even faster. In a recent session with Anshuman sir, the CEO of Scalar, we got to know how trends are really changing in Silicon Valley. He told that instead of lesser number of jobs, more number of jobs are being created because people are building on those ideas which were not possible earlier. And there will be $1 million companies in future as well, but the number of employees working in them will be 3 or 4 instead of 100 or 200, because a new term is in market, that is orchestration. Yes, orchestration basically means to manage multiple things at once. Let me give you an example. Let's say you are a project manager and you have 5 people under you and you are managing all of them, allotting them tasks, reviewing their work and all of things. You have to do the same thing in future as well, but this time you have to manage AI agents instead of real people. Yes, and this is going to give you an edge. Above all, if you can master this skill, then you are needed in future, or else the industry will move without you. So now the real question becomes, how do students prepare for this new AI driven world? To prepare for an AI driven world, students need a balanced set of skills like AI literacy, human skills and lifelong learning habits. Understanding the basics of how AI works will lead students to use these tools responsibly, while critical thinking, creative thinking, designing, communication will be the unfair human advantages, the X factors that will give you an edge above all. And interestingly, some colleges are already changing how they teach engineering. Now let's talk about what Scalar is doing different than others. So keeping all these changing scenarios in mind, we now know that a startup will consist of 1 or 2 people, and this is how the world will change. This time, Scalar is coming with a new course on AI and business, in which after learning all the fundamentals for 3 years, you have to build your own startup in the 4th year. And you will be provided with mentorship, all the facilities. You will be learning all these things. But only 200 seats are there for this course. So first come first serve works over here. So if you are currently in a 12th standard and want to build something of your own startup instead of doing a 9 to 5 job, then this is the best opportunity you got. And don't just wait. Give NSET. First 10 students who will apply from the link mentioned in the description below will get a straight 500 off on their NSET exam fees. So you better hurry. Well, that was all from my side for today. I hope I was able to provide some information to you regarding trends and changes. If you like the video, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And see you next time. Till then, namaste.